Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Julie D, and if you're new here, welcome to the show. So for today's look, I just did this really simple, easy back to work, back to school, makeup for glasses tutorial. So if you are liking what you see, make sure that you hit the subscribe button at any time in this video, hit the thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and leave me some comments. I'm really looking forward to getting this platform running with some new content, but for today, this is the look, and if you like what you see, just keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. And I don't have a primer, so be right back. All right, now I'm back. So I'm gonna start by priming my face with the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh in the cucumber scent. I'm really liking this one just so far that I've been using it. Really just put it all in there. So I was thinking when I was going to do this video that I was like, I don't even remember what I used to wear on my face when I was in high school, and I didn't know what coloring my eyebrows are, so I'm really happy that I know what that is now. So I'm going to go in for my foundation with the Makeup by Megan Expensive Skin in medium neutral, and I'm also going to be using her makeup brush, the foundation brush in like it's the 01, and all I'm gonna do, I have been loving this particular foundation. What I usually do is I'll take some of my Estee Lauder, this is sample size, my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, and I'll just like put like a drop or two in here, just like for some added hydration to my skin, and I'll just swirl it in, and then I'll put it on the skin. So I wanted to do just like a pretty easy makeup tutorial for like back to school and also like back to work. So I'll be going back into the office. October 5th is our back to work day. So hoping it doesn't get extended because I do miss all my coworkers. I'm working at my desk and for my company. I've been working from home, so I know a lot of my girlfriends and that are teachers, they are really excited about going back to work also. So I'm gonna apply this all over because with this we're not gonna wear concealer. Also, I didn't mention that this particular tutorial is going to be for glasses also, because I wear glasses a lot of the time. So we're going to put it all over the eyelids and face. All right, next I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm using the Total Temptation brow definer in 310 medium brown, and I know I do love this one in particular. I had used it before, so all we're going to do is just lightly color in the eyebrows here, just from the bottom. All right, for what I like to do when I like really want to get ready really quickly, and also if I'm wearing my glasses, is that I like to use a cream eyeshadow for my eyes, my eyelids. Again, I am just opening this up, so sorry you're hearing all the in the background. Oh well, get used to it. I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Stay Cream eyeshadow in Black Custard. Let's see how we open this. All right, and now that it took me 5 minutes to open it. Literally was the easiest thing. So it is in this shade. So it's a pretty metallic, kind of purpley color, and I'm just gonna apply it on my ring finger and then put it right onto my eyelid. And I chose like a more purpley color because I do have brown eyes. Purple is usually more of a color to stand out. I'm just gonna put it all over the lid, and that blue also will make my eyes stand out also. Just putting it all over the lid there. Great. Fabulous. Wonderful. All right. Next, we are going to be moving on to our lashes. And what I do with my lashes, especially if I'm going to be wearing glasses, I only apply the like the mascara onto the outer corner and outer lash. So I'm just going downwards. Oh, and I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black. So I'm just going down and then flicking it up, and then just again only doing the outer lashes here. Next up, we're going to go in with the CoverGirl Cream Fresh Cream Blush in 370 Butterfly, and it's from their new line, the Clean and Fresh. So it doesn't have no talc, parabens, oil, mineral oil, sulfates, fragrances, so it's vegan free. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this onto my finger. Oh, it's a different color than I thought it was going to be. All right, I'm just going to apply it here, and then I'm going to put it on my cheeks here. Oh my God. I probably should have looked at this. So now I'm just going to kind of blend that out. Well, at least it like fades out, which is fine. I'm going to use the Makeup by Megan brush and just kind of blend that onto the cheek there. Yeah, that worked. All right. Great, great, wonderful. Who knows that movie? Willy Wonka, if you didn't get it. All right, now I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. And I'm going to put that with just like a Real Technique brush, and I'm just going to apply it to just my forehead, and then just on the hairline, and then just going up. I don't want to do too much craziness with this bronzer here. Under my chin and then down my neck. Perfect. And then honestly, after this, all we got are the lips. And what I'm going to be using today is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. I think this is new. Actually, I saw it on one of the Instagram influencers that I follow. I'll link her name. I think her name is Taylor. I'm pretty sure. I follow her. I love her. I love all of her stuff. So this is made with hyaluronic acid, which I think that's like the trend for this year is hyaluronic acid, and the color is in 007 Amber. I'm just going to apply that on the lips, and it's supposed to be, ooh, it smells like caramel corn. It's supposed to be like a plumper too. I should have probably applied this all over my top lip since I have a razor top lip. Right. And it doesn't tingle, so I don't know if that's a good thing that it's not tingling or a bad thing because it's supposed to be lifting. I'm sorry if I'm talking while I'm doing this, but okay. Wow, I really like this color. So this is the final look, a nice back to school, back to work, really easy glasses look for anyone who wears glasses that wants just a little bit of pop of color, pretty simple blush, bronzer, and a nice little cute nerdy hairstyle that I have going on here. So I appreciate everybody that is liking all of my stuff on my channel. So until next time, I'll see you next time.